Dreaming of taking photos that turn heads? Welcome to our very first 2 minutes posing Saturday. In this series, I'll show you how to shoot amazing boudoir photos. From posing to light, camera settings and retouching the photo. So let's get started. Today's featured pose is a simple yet stunning kneeling boudoir pose. Perfect for accentuating the thigh, stomach and chest of our model in a beautiful manner. I request our lovely model to kneel in front of the couch and sit back on her heels with the knees slightly wider than shoulder width apart. To showcase the upper body beautifully, I ask our model to rotate her pelvis backward and rest her arms relaxed on the couch. This will help her pull her shoulders back and maintain a beautiful upright posture. To add the touch of a candid shot and ensure sufficient light on her face, I suggest that the model does not look directly into the camera. The lighting, we use only available natural light, comes from the side, specifically from our large bright window front, creating perfect highlights and shadows on her skin, which completes this sensually feminine boudoir pose. Let's talk camera settings. Since we are working with a side lighting and aiming for a contrast between highlights and shadows, I shoot with an aperture of 2.8, a shutter speed of 1/200th of a second and the ISO is set at 1600. Struggling with poses during your photo shoot? Don't worry, I got you covered. Grab our free posing guide featuring my top 10 poses and elevate your photos in no time. Just click the link in the video description, say goodbye to posing troubles. The photo editing process is as simple and efficient as our pose. We start with one of our fantastic presets, which you can now also find in our app. This takes care of most of the editing process, like the profile, tone curves and details such as sharpening, noise reduction and lens corrections. Next, we adjust the white balance, which is in our studio typically set to 5500 Kelvin with a tint of 15. As you can see from the raw photo, I intentionally underexposed the image just to protect the white points. Accordingly, we brighten the photo by a full stop in exposure. Now it looks very good. We'll make some final adjustments to the upright and the crop a bit. And there we have our finished boudoir photo with a visual style that perfectly supports the pose and the lighting. Thank you for joining us on 2 Minutes Posing Saturday. Don't forget to tune in for the next episode and another fascinating pose. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. See you next time.